This is 2018 Honda CRV with a subwoofer job. Because of the ANC on the ceiling, the microphone, it makes the rumbling sound when you give a gas. It's a 2-minute job to disconnect the ANC module. This is the passenger side. Under the glove box, we got this panel out. So you just take the panel down. I'm going to shine it where the ANC module is. This is the ANC module right here. You cannot access that. But once you remove this, I'm going to shine it. Right there. That is ANC plug. Well, not that one. Not that one. It's, let's see. Is right there. So all you gotta do is unplug that, and I'm gonna reach up there. I'm gonna get rid of my phone and I'm gonna unplug it, and I'll show it to you. All right, that's the plug. So all you have to do is reach up there, right there. Push the tab right here and simply unplug it. You don't have to take nothing out. You just reach up there, which is the back of this module here. Underneath this plug, this plug is plugged in, let's say like this, to the module on the bottom side of it. You're just going to simply push this locking clip here, pull down. It's kind of snug, but it comes out. And once you pull this out, you no longer have ANC. Some people ask me like, will I still have a Bluetooth? Will I get any sound difference? This is only to reduce the noise from the outside when you speed on highway. So all you gotta do is unplug it, tuck it away, you're good to go.